So day 20 is supposed to be footwork. So since sorry that I'm using now a DSLR, so the lens is really not wide. The problem is this space is really not that big as well. So if I shoot it downwards, you can't really see. So, but what I'm just wanted to let you see is try to create a pattern. So first is triangle. This triangle here, here, here. Then this triangle, or in this Filipino triangle. So in our I call it ilag paliwas. Ilag paliwas is here, here. So triangle is supposed to be having, okay? So ilag patras is the reverse for the usual triangles. Okay, so Pinoy triangles is ilag paliwas. Male triangles is ilag patras. Ilag or paliwas, pasulong, means forward. Ilag patras paiwas o ilag paiwas patras is backward. So iwas is just the same. So something to use, but I usually use ilag. Ilag pasulong, ilag patras. Okay, so that's forming a triangle. So I'm gonna insert the video that I shoot earlier using my phone. So the part triangle, footwork triangle, footwork. One, ilag pasulong. So this is triangles. One, two. Okay, ilag patras. Okay, letter M. Letter M is so imagine you're stepping on the letter M. Okay, then using the diamond, that is one step forward or one step forward. Then so one, two, or one, two, okay. So one, two, or you just use the triangles and the tatsudo. Okay. Then hourglass. Hourglass is this is two triangles. Hourglass. So this is your triangles. One, two, right? You're combining it with ilag patras. Then this is your triangles one. This is your triangles two. That complete the X pattern. Then this is your side triangles. This is your right triangle. So imagine a hourglass, okay? So put here one. Move. Two. Shift, shift, shift. 2, 3, 4, 5. This will vary an imagination of footwork. Okay? Then, sorry. Then, once you already know it, practice doing it 5 minutes, okay? Round per round.